garage. We just came in. It's to the left of the front door. Got a bathroom here and downstairs. Can't find that way. Come off to the right here. Dining room. Kitchen here. Little nook area. Outside here and kind of in the dark. I don't know how good this will be. This is the backyard here. Family room. Now we're going upstairs and keeping the camera low, or Jody will complain that her butt was in the shot, so I've got it nice and low, so it won't. This is upstairs. Secondary bedroom. Kind of niche cabinet right here. This is the bathroom being occupied. Okay, we're upstairs, kind of looking down at the family room. This is the master bedroom. And the master bathroom. And Shirley. I'm not moving so fast I give you a headache. This is the view from the master bedroom. That's what you want, right there. And this is the garage area. Garage, got some storage. And just off the garage is the laundry area. And this is the exterior here. Bench area. Here's some of the trees. Nice big palms just outside the front door. And this is kind of the parking area out here. It's kind of hard to see. That's the front of the house and the garage.